कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। सीतारामभ्यं नमः, राधाकृष्णाय नमः, शक्तिशिवाय नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। As you all know, viewers, today is a great day and every day is a great day for all of us. So the Gita series which is going on, we have already completed the chapter number 16, and that was Daivasra Sampada Vibhaga Yoga. Now we are trying to discuss about Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga. So let's come to dive in this chapter, and before diving this chapter, please give your love and affection to the channel by subscribing and giving like and also pressing the bell button. Thank you, dear viewers. You are the trustworthy, you are the excellent persons. Thank you so much and love you so much. Let's come to chapter number 17. Arjuna Vacha Je Shastra Vidhi Musrujya Jajante Sadayanyutaha Te Sannisthatu Ka Krishna Sattva Rajastamaha. Arjuna said, those endowed with faith who worship gods and others, disregarding the injunctions of the scriptures, where do they stand Krishna in Sattva, Raja or Tama? Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Trividha Bhavati Sada Dehinang Ma Svabhaja Satviki Rajasi Chaiva Tamasi Cheritang Sunu. Sri Bhagavan said, the untortured innate faith of man is of three kinds, Sattvika, Rajasika and Tamasika. Hear of it from me. Sattvanurupa sarvasya sada bhavati bharata sada mayo yang puruso jojat suddha saivacha. The faith of all men conforms to their mental disposition. Arjuna, faith constitutes a man, whatever the nature of his faith, verily he is that. Jadante sattviko devan devanya rakshansi rajasaha pretadbhuta ganaschanni jadante tamasa janaha. Men of sattvic disposition worship gods, those of rajasic temperament worship demigods, the demons, while others who are of tamasic disposition worship the spirit of the dead and ghosts. अशास्त्र विहितं घोरं तप्यन्ते जे तपोजना दंभाहंकार संयुक्ता कामराग बलान्युता. Men who practice severe penance of an arbitrary type, not sanctioned by the scriptures, and who are full of hypocrisy and egoism and are obsessed with desire, attachment and pride of power. कर्षयन्तः शरीरस्थं भूतग्रामं चेतसः मां चैवन्त शरीरस्थं तन्विद्यासुरनिश्चायान्. And who emaciate the elements constituting their body as well as me, the Supreme Spirit, dwelling in their heart, know those senseless people to have a demoniac disposition. आहार स्वापि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः यज्ञस्तपस्तथा दानं तेषा भेदमिमं शृणु. Food also which is agreeable to different men according to their innate disposition is of three kinds, and likewise sacrifice, penance and charity too are of three kinds of each. Here their distinction as follows. आयु सत्य बलारोगाय सुख प्रीति विवर्धनाः रस्या स्निग्धा स्थिराहुयद्य आहाराः सात्विक प्रियाः. Foods which promote longevity, intelligence, vigor, health, happiness and cheerfulness, and which are juicy, succulent, substantial and naturally agreeable, are liked by men of sattvic nature. कट्वं लवणातुष्ण तीक्ष्ण रुक्षभिदाहिनः ahara rajasthishta dukkha soka kama pradaha. Food which are bitter, sour, salty, overhot, pungent, dry and burning, and which cause suffering, grief and sickness are dear to Rajasika. यातयामं गतरसं पूति पर्युषितं च जत् उच्छिष्टनमपि चामेध्यं भोजनं कामसप्रियं. Food which is ill cooked or not fully ripe, insipid, putrid, stale and polluted, and which is impure too, is dear to men of a tamasika disposition. अफलाकांक्षा कीर्जज्ञो विधि दृष्टो च युज्यते. जष्टव्यमेवेति मनः समादाय सात्विका. The sacrifice which is offered as ordained by scriptural injunctions by men who accept no return and who believe that such sacrifices must be performed, it's sattvic in character. अभिसंधायतु फलं दम्भार्थमपि चैव जत् इज्यते भरतश्रेष्ठ तं यज्ञं विद्धि राजस्वं. That sacrifice, however, which is offered for the sake of mere show, or even with an eye to its fruit, know it to be Rajasic or June. विद्धिहीनाम् असृष्टानं मन्त्रहीनाम् अदक्षिणं सदा विरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्षते. A sacrifice which is not is conformity with scriptural injunctions, in which no food is offered, and no sacrificial fees are paid, which is without sacred chant of hymns and devoid of faith, is said to be tamasika. देवद्युज गुरु प्रज्ञा पूजनं शौचमार्जवं ब्रह्मचर्य महिंसं च शारीरं तव तप उच्यते. Worship of gods, the Brahmans, one's gurus, elders and great souls, purity, straightforwardness, continence and non-violence, these are called fines of the body. Anudvega karang bhatyang satyang priyahitam च जत् स्वाध्यायभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते. Words which cause no annoyance to others and are truthful, agreeable and beneficial, as well as the study of the Vedas and other Shastras and the practice of the chanting of divine name, this is known as finis of speech. Mana prasada samyatvam mauna bhatma vinigraha bhava sansuddhiriyeta smriti jnanamasuchyate. Cheerfulness of mind, placidity, habit of contemplation on God, control of the mind and perfect purity of inner feelings, all this is called austerity of the mind. Shraddha paravātāptaṃ tapastha trividhaṃ nara apalākaṅkhyati viyukte sattvikam parichakshate. This threefold penance performed with supreme faith by yogis, expecting no return, is called sattvika. Satkara mana pujartha tapodambena vichaiva jat kriyate tadahi proktam rajasancharamadhruvang. The austerity which is performed for the sake of renown, honor of adoration, as well as for any other selfish gain, either in all sincerity or by way of contention, of ostentations and ills and uncertain and unnecessary truths, has been spoken of here as Rajasika. मूढग्राहेणात्मनो पत्पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्योस्तादर्थं वा ततामसमुदाहृतं. Penance which is restored to out of foolish obstinity and is accompanied by self-mortification or is intended to harm others, such as penance has been declared as tamasika. दातव्यमिति तद्दानं दीयते नृपकारिणे देशकाले च पात्रे च दानं सात्विकं स्मृतं. A gift which is bestowed with a sense of duty on one from whom no return is expected an appropriate time and place, and to a deserving person, that gift has been declared as sattvika. जतु प्रत्युपकारार्थ फलमुदिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिश्लिष्टं तद्दानं राजसंस्मृतं. A gift which is bestowed in a grudging spirit and with the subject of getting a service of a man in return or in the hope of obtaining a reward is called rajasika. आदेश काले जद्यन मपात्रे मध्यस्ते रितदे असंस्कृतम अवज्ञानं तथावा समुदारुतं. A gift which is made without good grace and in a disdainful spirit, out of time and place and no undeserving persons, is said to be tamasika. Om tassaditi निर्देशो ब्रह्मण त्रिविध स्मृतः ब्रह्मणा तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च वीता पुरा. Om Tat and Sat, this has been declared at the triple exhalations of Brahmas, who is truth, consciousness and bliss. By that were the Brahmans and the Vedas, as well as sacrifices created at the cosmic dawn. तस्मादमित्युदाहृत्य यज्ञदान तप क्रिया प्रवर्तन विधानतः सततं ब्रह्मवादिनं. Therefore, acts of sacrifice, charity and austerity, as enjoyed by sacred precepts, are always commenced by noble persons, used to the meditation of Vedic chants with the invocation of the divine name Om. तदित्यनभिस्तन्नाभ फलं पदञ्जय यज्ञन्तप क्रिया दान क्रियाश्च विविधाः क्रियन्ते महकायिकविशुभि. With the idea that all this belongs to God, who is denoted by the appellation Tat, acts of sacrifice and austerity as well as acts of charity of various kinds are performed by the seekers of liberation, expecting no return for them. Saddhave sadhuvave cha saditye taprapujyate prasaste karmani jatha jakhya sachanda parthamunchate. The name of God Sat is used in the sense of reality and goodness and of a personality. Auspicious actions are Arjun. Jagye tapasi dane cha sthiti saditi uchyate karma chaiva tadarthiyam saditye vadijiyate. And steadfastness in sacrifice, austerity and charity is likewise spoken as Sat, and action for the sake of God is heartily termed as Sat. Ashraddhaya hutam damam tapassajyam krutam jadapara uschida juschate partha nacheta priyam no iha. An oblation which is deferred, a gift given, an austerity practiced, and whatever good deed is performed, if it is without faith, it is termed as not ashta. Therefore, it is of no avail hereafter. Thus, in the Upanishads sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the 17th chapter entitled the Yoga of the Division of the Threefold Dark. Om Tassaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishad Shri Krishna Sambhade Sada Trayavara Yoganamo Saptasadhyayah. Sarve Bhavantu Kinna Sarve Chandriramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu Ma Kaschid Dukhavag Bhavet. Shanti Shanti. सबका शांति में रहे, सब मंगल में रहे, सबका आनंद में रहे, सब खुशियों में रहे, वसुदेव कुटुंबकम का परंपरा बढ़ता रहे. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you and love you.